Don't be deceived. Today we're going to talk about 7 common lies associated with manufactured homes, and are they really affordable housing? Number 1 is your loan. You do not want to go to a mobile home manufacturer and use their loan service. You want to go to your own bank or credit union and find a loan that has a better interest rate and better terms for you. Number 2 is the land lease trap. Before you get involved in a land lease, you want to know the cost, how often they can raise the cost. Are there any associated fees they're not telling you about? Cable, utilities, trash service, taxes. What are all the costs associated before you sign your land lease agreement? Number 3, if you're buying property for this home, you want to research it. There are major costs associated with buying raw land. Is the septic installed? Is the well there? Is the electric to the property? Do they allow manufactured homes? You need to check into this. You don't want to get in a situation where you bought property and you go there to put your home on it and it's not allowed, or the utilities are not there. You want to make sure you have a perk test done so that when you go to have your septic tank put in, that it's actually a functioning and working septic system. Number 4, you want to make sure these homes are properly anchored. You cannot pull this thing up, drop it off, and leave it. You're going to end up starring in the Wizard of Oz in a storm. These things have got to be tied down. They have got to be on a proper foundation, or your home is not going to last, or it's going to be very dangerous in a storm or windy situation. Number 5, used manufactured homes. People are always convinced to buy a used home, and even if it appears to be in good shape, you want to make sure it's moved properly. Is the roof aligned? Are the doors aligned? Is the floor sagging or aligned properly? You want to make sure this is all taken care of. Manufactured homes can be very expensive to repair. Just because the initial cost is low does not mean the maintenance or repairs are any less than on a regular home. Thoroughly examine a used manufactured home, just like you would any home. This is especially true after it's been moved, after they set the home where you want it and it's been completely turned over to you. You want to make sure this is done properly with a proper inspection. That leads us to a new manufactured home, and these can often be better than the site-built home. They are built in a factory, they are built under climate control conditions, and if this is done properly, the end result can be better than the custom home you've had built. One major issue with this is, if you buy this home, you want to make sure the R rating is appropriate for where you're putting the home. You don't want to go to Phoenix, Arizona and buy a home for Montana. You want to know where this home is going and the weather conditions it's going to face, or it will not be able to be properly heated and cooled. And 7, after you move this home and get it set, you want to look at taking the tongue off of the home. This can have major effects on where you can put the home, the insurance on the home. So if somebody's telling you you can't have a manufactured home in that area, look and see if it matters that you have the tongue removed and the home is permanently set. Now, a little bonus tip is you need to know where this home is going. Even if the home is paid off and you're paying where to put the home, you are still paying rent. You own a home, but the home is not paid off. So oftentimes you can get with a realtor or a company that will sell you a package together, and you're not stuck in a situation where you own a home, but you want to move it from where it's located, because this can get very expensive. If you have any stories to share, get in the comments with us. Talk to us about your manufactured home. Is it better than a site-built home? Are you happy with the home? What would you do differently next time you bought a manufactured home?